Hi, are you someone looking to grow your wealth? I mean, you want to get to a place whereby you have enough money and you can earn money even while you sleep. Let's face it, you don't want to keep working for money all the time. Okay, maybe you're an employee and you're working towards your pension towards the age of 60, and you're going to get that lump sum amount of money, and that's great. I've got family, I've got friends who are doing that. But if you are someone who is an entrepreneurial, someone who's a business owner, and you want to get to a stage where you don't always work in the business, but you can work on the business, i.e. the strategy, the blue sky thinking, you got to do a few things differently. Number one is that you got to always make more money than you're spending, i.e. your operational cash flow must be positive. And there are a few tips and tricks for that. I'll probably drop a link if you want to grab that free ebook on how you can increase your operational cash flow. However, if you want to get your money to work for you, you've got to invest. You got to move from just saving to investing. There are different ways to invest, and I take it. Maybe that you don't know anything about investing right now. The first thing to do is to invest in your knowledge, invest in your education about finance. How does money really work? Once you do that, determine your risk appetite. How risky are you? Are you going to go in for the kill, for the cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin? Or are you going to start with the bonds? You know what I mean? Because bonds are quite safe, right? Because there's a fixed amount of income that you get back after a period of time. Whereby equity, it depends on if the company make money or not, you know what I mean? Or you can even invest in someone else's business, a private company, where you know exactly what they're doing. You vet their business and you see, yeah, I want to invest in that business. So there are different ways to invest, but ultimately I always say to people, investigate before you invest. Don't just put your money out, you know what I mean? Investigate, understand the stock market, etc. And if you're looking to understand the stock market, there are a number of free resources out there, websites, etc. Send me a DM, I can always help you out with that. But look, by investing, you are putting your money to work for you. And I have made some good handy sum of money in investing, I'm a bit on the risky side. So I trade the market. That's a whole different concept, which I probably get onto. This is a series of videos I'll be giving of how you can invest your money. But ultimately, what you want to do, right? If you're running a business, as I said, you want to systemize it. You have processes, you have systems, you have people, you have a managing director, and all that kind of stuff. And that's really your money actually even working for you right there, because you started small. Then you make your money work for you, and that's how it's going to really grow. I worked in financial services for many years, and my first job was in an insurance company. And what the insurance company did, and that's how it actually worked, they get the premiums in. And when they get the premiums in, they obviously they pay all the operation expenses. That's what reserves some money for rainy day. But then what they do is they invest the rest of the money into invest in stock markets, whatever. If it's a big company, they own buildings, they own shopping malls, they own properties, they own all this stuff. Property is obviously a good way to invest your money. But if you're just starting off, you want to just find out about the stock market. How can you invest in Tesla, in Zoom, in Google, and so you can own an index funds or ETF funds. I'm not talking about really concepts here, but I want to say to you, I'll be giving you a series of videos. Don't worry if I'm spoken fast and you haven't heard anything, just hit the follow button, and I'll be giving you more gems on how to invest, how to grow your money in this year. So take care of yourself, be good, bye-bye.